Students, this week's mini lesson was all about our reading voice and our thinking voice. We started with a mini lesson by Miss Christina Smeckens. You need to watch this. If you haven't watched it, if you missed class, then you're going to want to click here and it's going to take you directly to the mini lesson. Okay. It's important that you have the student materials here so that you can follow along with what she is saying and doing. All right. Once you finish that, please just grab a check mark and move it right there to the box. The next thing is to record your thoughts on our Jamboard as I, Mrs. Miller, lead you in a read aloud and think aloud. So here is the link to the Jamboard. It's going to bring this up for second period. If you're third period, it'll bring up your third period one. And then this is the video of me leading you through our read aloud and think aloud. So you'll click here for video one, and then we'll go back and click this one here to take you to video two. Okay, and then I'll be checking the Jamboard to make sure that you've put your thoughts there as you did your thinking when I pause. Finally, and this is what we didn't quite get to yesterday, so we can finish it up today, you're going to make your own reading voice and thinking voice signs. Now, this will take you to my instructions, my step-by-step instructions, so you can see and hear exactly what you need to do. Okay? If you want to use the same exact signs that I'm using, they were provided by Mrs. Smeckens. You can click this link here. It's going to take you to a printable sign. And then if you click this one, it's going to take you to a printable thinking voice sign. So it's up to you. You can, if you have a printer available, you can print that out. I laminated mine because I have a laminator here too. And then you can attach that to whatever you need to attach it to, or you can just draw your reading voice and thinking voice signs. Please remember that after you've completed this assignment, you must do the Google form turn-in. I have to have a way to check to make sure that you did your assignment. So just click this form here, and you're going to fill this out, and you'll take a picture of yourself holding the reading voice and the thinking voice, and you'll attach them respectively right here and submit it to me. Once you finish each of these things, you can just move the check mark right over, and then you will be finished and can move on to the next slide.